Hi, Konstantinos here. So a user was asking how he can recreate this design with KitchenWhiz. So I will show you how to do this. First, I will choose centimeters and start designing. Make the room a bit bigger, and then we can skip the windows and doors because I don't see any in the image. And I will add two fixed columns, which will be on the left and right of the tall cabinets. So I am adding two fixed columns of 10 by 60 centimeters. I will add the second one somewhere around here. I don't know the exact dimensions. I will choose 215 centimeters for the height of the kitchen, and then I will add my tall cabinets here. Let's place them between the fixed columns, just like the image. And then I will add just one island also. So let me go back here. And so this I will add a 120 centimeters island with 210 in centimeters in width. So let's place it around here, because as you can see, the island is a bit on the left of the tall cabinets. Click save and move to adding the appliances. So the sink is on the island. Let's place one bowl on the left, and then we don't have a dishwasher, or if you want one, you can add it on the island. In this case, you don't have another choice. Then we are going to add two ovens on the tall cabinets. Unfortunately, KitchenWhiz does not offer the ability to add 3-bowl ovens for now. Then we will add the hob on the island and the hood right above it. Let's add a 60 centimeters one. And we can add a built-in fridge or leave this as is, because I'm not sure if there is a fridge here. And finally, we don't need a washing machine. So KitchenWhiz now will auto-generate everything in 3D and 2D. Here is our design, and what is left is to play around with the colors. So I will first change all the cabinets to the color of the island. So I will choose any cabinet, choose the wood surface and then the oak light color, and hit the apply to all button here. So now all the colors are changed for all the cabinets. And now I want to make the tall cabinets a different color than the island. And I will do this manually one by one. So I will click on a tall cabinet, then the matte surface, and let's click a gray color here, maybe this one, and do the same for all the rest of the tall cabinets. So after I do this, all that is left is to change the color of the countertop. As we can see here, the countertop is gray. So I will hit customize colors here, and let's choose this gray color. And here it is, our design is finished. So the user was also asking, what if I want to go back and make changes? All you have to do is click the back button here and go back to the step that you want to make the change to, and just make the change. And then in just a few seconds you can move back to the final step again to finish your design. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.